Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Traders Today. So in this video today I will explain you what is call options, how to buy call options, risk related with call options, and how you can trade in call options. So let's get started with the video. So I will explain you with the help of one example. Suppose share of an SBI is around 200 rupees. Okay, today it is 194. So suppose हम इसको समझ लेते हैं कि ये it is 200. Okay, so the result will come and we are expecting that the result will go up and good, and so the price will rise by 10% or 5%. सोचते हैं कि वो 10% से इंक्रीज होगी. दैट मीन्स 20 रुपीज़ 220 it can reach. So what we have to do is we have three options in this. So या तो we buy, suppose we buy 1000 share of SBI, okay, at the rate of 200. So how much will it be of cost? 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, so once the result will come, वो 200 rupees will become 220 into 1000 shares, so we'll get a profit of 20,000 rupees. This is what. Or if it does not reach there, if it reached 180 rupees, then we'll get a loss of 20 into 1000. That means 20,000 will be our loss. Okay, so in the second options I'm going to tell you, for example, we bought a one lot of futures that is of 3k 3000 share का एक lot हो, 3000 share have one lot. So we bought one share, one lot of future. So once the price will go 20 rupees up, we can sell it. In the same way we have to look in the, but we are expecting that it will go up, so we buy at 200 and we'll sell for 220 rupees. So we'll get a good profit of 20 into 3000. That means 60,000 rupees profit will get. Now we'll come in the options which I have been explaining you in this video. So the third option, that we can buy a call option of SBI. Suppose we know that the current market price is 200 around. So what we'll do is, we are expecting that it will go up in 10 to 15 days, as the result will come and then it will go up. So what we have to do is, we have to buy 220 call option. Okay, 220 call option will buy as soon as the result will come, and as we are expecting that it will go up, so the call option, suppose the call option is 1 rupees, 220 call option is 1 rupees or 2. Okay, suppose it is 2 rupees, then if the price of share will go by 220, the call option will increase. For example, it will reach by 2 to 4. So we got 2 rupees of premium extra. So 2 into 3000 ka lot, it is lot size is there. So how much we'll get? 3000 into 2 rupees. That means we'll get a profit of 6,000. Okay, so in the same way, what is the maximum loss we'll have is 3 into 2000. This is what we'll get a maximum of loss. 3 into 2, that is 6,000 of maximum loss. But the premium can go much more higher. So this is how we can trade in options, and it is, and as you know that the price is 1 rupees into 3000. So what amount we have to pay in call options is just 3000, or if the premium is 2 rupees, 2 into 3000 of one lot, that is 6,000 only we have to pay. That is the maximum investment we'll get. Okay, this is what I had explained you in this video. In the next video I will explain you about how we can buy put options and what is the risk related with put options buying. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and please press the black bell icon so that you will get notification of my video. Thank you.